How to deposit check in Bank of Montreal. Let's get started. Firstly, make sure you have already downloaded Bank of Montreal app on your device. If not, you can head towards the App Store or Play Store, search for the app and download it. Once completion of its download, launch it. You will be directed to the login page. Now provide your account's credentials to log in, user ID and password. After you fill this, click on Sign In, and just with that, you will be logged into your account. Once logged in, you will land to the home page. Here you're gonna find different options. Navigate to the option of Pay and Transfer. Now click on the option of Deposit a Check. Now go through all the terms and conditions of the bank, and at the very end you'll find the option of I agree. Click on that option. With that, you'll land to Deposit a Check page. Now you have to fill this. Firstly, type in the amount that you want to deposit. Then click on the drop down and choose an account. Then take the photo of front and back of the check. After you fill this, go ahead and click on the option of Continue. And with that, your money has been deposited. This is how you deposit a check using Bank of Montreal. Well, that's a wrap for this video. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.